welcome everyone to this beautiful evening. Let's begin the countdown for the much awaited event of the year, Annual Day 2024-25 for grades 3, 4 and 5. A celebration of talent, hard work and unforgettable memories. I, Atoshi Verma, and my colleague Rajpreet Kaur extend our warm welcome to one and all present here. We have gathered here today to celebrate the hard work and efforts put in by our students. Each and every student has put in their maximum effort, and this deserves nothing but our full attention. So this evening, we celebrate not only just glitz and glamour, but also the passion, drama, and energy that make Bollywood a part of our lives. Hindi cinema has a significant influence on students' lives. Sports are vital on the silver screen, depicting stories of struggle, inspirations, and triumph. True life stories such as MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Dangal, etc. motivate students to pursue their dreams with dedication, embrace fitness, and develop a winning mindset for life. Meaningful cinemas can enrich students' learning and personal growth. So as we can see on the screen, our theme for today's evening is Chak De, celebrating sports cinema the CMIS way. This annual day program is dedicated to the incredible Mr. Gukesh Domaraju, the world's young chess champion. His dedication, brilliance, and determination inspires us all. Tonight, as we celebrate talent and achievement, let's honor his exceptional journey and applaud his remarkable success on the global stage. So, sit back and get ready to embark on a journey filled with music, dance, and the larger-than-life essence of Indian sports cinema.
Before we begin the much-awaited evening, kindly make note of the following instructions. Mobile phones to be kept on silent mode during the entire duration of the event. Avoid trying to leave your place. Coming forward and making videos and clicking pictures of students is strictly not allowed. Early dispersal of any student is prohibited. Kindly ensure you enjoy the entire show. We are here to enjoy and appreciate each and every student's hard work. It is our honor to welcome our guests, Mr. Ashish Umesh Avati and Ms. Madhukar Yelwande and Mrs. Vasanti Yelwande. We are also extremely delighted to welcome our founder president, SKP campus, Shri Ganpatrao Mahatuji Balvatkar, treasurer SKP campus, Ms. Usha Balvatkar, secretary SKP campus, Dr. Sagar Balvatkar, board member SKP campus, Ms. Rupali Balvatkar, principal of CM International School, Ms. Iqbal Kaur Rana, parents, coordinators, teachers, and my dear students. Welcome to Chak De, celebrating sports cinema the CMIS way. I request that all the dignitaries please come on the stage. I would like to ask Ms. Sejal Damania, along with our students Ms. Shravi Verma and Master Swarit Amrutkar, to felicitate our guests. I would like to request our founder president Shri Ganpatrao Mahatoji Balvatkar to felicitate our guest Mr. Ashish Umesh Avati. Thank you, sir. I would like to request our founder president Shri Ganpatrao Mahatoji Balvatkar to felicitate our guest Ms. Madhukar Yelvande. Thank you, sir. I would like to request our board member, SKP campus Ms. Rupali Balvatkar, and our principal Ms. Iqbal Kaur Rana to felicitate Mrs. Vasanti Yelvande. Thank you, ma'am. It is my honor and privilege to welcome our guest for the evening, Mr. Ashish Umesh Avati, an officer in Indian Customs, Central Government. He is an accomplished international athlete who has represented India in prestigious tournaments like Under-17, AFC and SAFF Cups. A remarkable goalkeeper, he has trained with world-renowned teams, including Manchester United and Blackburn Rovers, showcasing exceptional talent on global platforms. He has captained several teams, earning numerous accolades such as Best Goalkeeper Awards in the Santosh Trophy and BC Roy Trophy. His journey reflects unparalleled dedication, having competed in national and international tournaments, inspiring young athletes to dream big. A true model, he exemplifies hard work, perseverance, and the spirit of sportsmanship. It is a great pleasure to welcome you, sir. I would now like to request our Secretary, Dr. Sagar Balvatkar, sir, to felicitate Mr. Agarwal. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to request our dignitaries to please take their seats. Now I request our coordinator, Ms. Priyanka Ruchandani, for the introduction of the theme.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I, Priyanka Ruchandani, Academic Coordinator of Grade 3, 4, 5 at CM International School, welcome you all to our today's annual gathering, Chak De, celebrating sports the CMIS way. I sincerely welcome our esteemed guests, respected dignitaries, and our dear parents. Sports in Indian cinema is more than an entertainment. It is an attempt to show the seriousness of sports present in cinema, and also to cite many Indian cinemas that has in its own way covered the journey of sports and excitement related to it. Indian sports films wield a universal allure, gripping audiences with their stirring narratives as the nation is steeped in a fervent competitive spirit and has an enduring love affair with sports. These films weave tales of triumph, showcasing athletes as embodiments of the nation's dreams and capabilities. Each victory on the sports field becomes a moment of national celebration, knitting together a collective tapestry of unity and pride. So, as we immerse ourselves in this sports-themed evening, let us applaud the artistry and hard work of our children who have given their all to make this event a memorable one. I humbly request you to forgive any minor lapses that may occur during the program. After all, these children have worked their magic with limited time and endless enthusiasm. Without further ado, let us dive into the world of sports and cinema. Please ensure that your phones are on silent mode and cheer loudly for your young performers as they bring their innovative acts to life. Thank you, and let the show begin.
Thank you so much. School song is more than just a melody. It is a celebration of unity, a reflection of our core values, and a symbol of our shared vision and mission. It reminds us to compete with ourselves and always give our best. It inspires us to strive for personal growth, always aiming to do ourselves and give our best. To honor the spirit of togetherness and community, we now present the students of Empowering 3, 4 and Inspiring 5 who will perform our beloved school song. I request everyone to stand up and put your right hand on your heart. Thank you so much, school choir. I request students and the audience to put their hands down and be seated.
As we celebrate this special day of joy, talent, and togetherness, we are thrilled to present a melodious journey through the spirit of dreams, determination, and celebration. Our choir is here to weave a musical story that connects the heart of India's resilience with the wings of youthful dreams and the triumph of unity we live in. We have our choir students presenting you the theme song. What an incredible performance. Let's give it up to our amazing choir students for taking us on a unique journey, blending Bollywood vibes with the spirit of patriotism and sports. That's truly showed that how nicely they showed the power of rhythm, melody, and teamwork. So one more big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much. Next, we present a vibrant welcome dance showcasing talent and culture. Let's step into the rhythm of tradition and grace as we explore the timeless Indian semi-classical dance that speaks through its movements and expressions. To keep up with the theme of the day, our students have prepared a special treat for you. Let's welcome the performers with a big round of applause. I'm so sorry I forgot to praise them because without them it cannot be possible. So big round of applause for all the musical instrument children and sir. Thank you.
Games have played a crucial role in society, culture, and even decision making since ancient times. Ancient games often mirrored life changes, teaching patience, perseverance, and the importance of decision making. Today, grade 4 students are performing the dance that reflects the spirit of sports, physical skill, mental strength, discipline, and the pursuit of excellence as shown in the Mahabharata. Grade 3 students are showing the connection between war and sports in terms of strategy, competition, teamwork, and physical preparation. Whereas grade 5 students are showing the strength and endurance of Lord Shiva, who symbolizes physical and mental strength, which are essential qualities in sports. So put your hands together to welcome the students of Empowering 4, 3, and Inspiring 5. Audience, kindly note that the students will be performing one after the other.
संग्राम की की सुरंग भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी। गगन गए विजयी भव,
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड दया का भाव, या की शौर्य का चुनाव, या की हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो। वो दया का भाव, या की शौर्य का चुनाव, या की हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो। या की पूरे भाल पर जला रहे विजय का लाल लाल ये गुलाल तुम ये सोच लो। रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो, या कि केसरी हो ढाल तुम ये सोच लो।
आग बहे तेरी रग में, तुझे सा कहा कोई जग में है। वक्त का तू ही तो पहला पहर, तू आँख जो खोले तो ढाए कहर।
अंत है उसका वो सबका ना इनका उनका, वही है माला वही है मन का मस्त मलंग वो अपनी धुन का। अंतर मंतर तंत्र ज्ञानी है सर्वज्ञ स्वाभिमानी, मृत्युंजय है महाविनाशी ओंकार है इसी की वाणी। किसी की वाणी भांग धतूरा बेल का पत्ता, तीनों लोग इसी की सत्ता। स्पीकर भी अडिग अमर है, महादेव हर है जत्ता। वही शून्य है वही इकाई, वही शून्य है वही इकाई, वही शून्य है वही इकाई, जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय।
अनुमंत्र नास्ति दत्तं गुरुः पराग, न किंचिदहर त्रिलोचनाय भस्मगंधाय महेश्वराय नित्याशुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै कराय नमः शिवाय।
कैलाश जाकर विनाश जा जा, 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 कैलाश जाकर विनाश जा जा।
Let's give a loud and well-deserved round of applause to the performers of this amazing dance performance.
Now, I would like to request our principal, Ms. Iqbal Khurana, to address the audience.
Dear audience, before I start, can we have a big round of applause once again?
for the music students and the classical dance students. I was totally lost, though I am watching these performances from last 1 month. But today, when they were on the stage, I was mesmerized by both the performances. A very happy evening to everyone. Our esteemed guests of the evening, Mr. Ashish Umesh Avati, Mr. and Mrs. Yalwande, Mr. Agarwal, our very respected founder president of SKP campus, Shri Ganpat Rao Mahatuji Balwadkar, Secretary SKP campus, Dr. Sagar Balwadkar, board member, Mrs. Rupali Balwadkar, Treasurer SKP campus, Mrs. Usha Balwadkar. We have Shamli ma'am with us. I welcome her also with her respected mother, and our very honorable PTA members, Bhavna ma'am and Thamisetti ma'am. I welcome you both also. Dear parents, teachers, and my lovely students from behind the stage, it is my honor to welcome you all to the annual celebration of our school for the academic year 2024 and 25. Dear audience, this is the day when we commemorate the extraordinary talents and progress of our children, which they have made so far in this academic year. And this is also the time when we come together and rejoice the spirit of learning and growth which defines our school community. As we celebrate this milestone today, I am filled with pride and gratitude. Pride because of the accomplishments of our students, and gratitude because of the tireless efforts of our teachers, the non-teaching staff, and the parents who always support them every step of the way. Here I would like to extend my gratitude to all the parents specifically, because you are always very cooperative towards the school, and we work as a unit, as a cohesive unit when it comes to providing the best of education and learning experiences to our students. So thank you so much, dear parents, once again. This year our annual day celebration takes on a special theme, a tribute to magic of Indian cinema, the Bollywood. For decades, Bollywood has been an integral part of our lives. It doesn't only entertain us, but cinema has the power of inspiring us, motivating us, and bringing us together. And when we have this annual celebration of the academic year, the 4-day-long celebration, we are dedicating each day to pay our homage differently to the Bollywood. Our pre-primary department had portrayed an award show for their parents, grade 1 and 2. They focused on human relationships and their portrayal in Hindi cinema. And today, on day 3 of our annual celebration, we have grade 3, 4 and 5 students who have taken the challenge of presenting before you the movies which are based on real life sports personalities, and how are this source of motivation for all of us. So dear parents, students and the teachers, they have taken lot of efforts putting this together in front of you. My only request to all of you is that keep on uploading them throughout the program, so that when they come on the stage, they feel appreciated. And believe me, when they see their parents appreciating them with the uploads, they feel very good and proud of themselves. So let's sit back and enjoy the program Chak De, celebrating sports cinema the CMIS way. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. And without your constant support, it could not have possible. So, lights, camera, action. Welcome to a world where dreams dance to the rhythm of life, where emotions find their voice in melody, and where stories come alive on the silver screen. Yes, we are talking about the magical world of Bollywood. Now already our principal ma'am explained you what we have already done in last 2 days. Then also I'm just briefing. The theme smoothly transitions between all the different age groups. In pre-primary, we showed an entertaining award show where we bring the magic and glamour of Hindi cinema awards to life. The stage transformed into a vibrant movie set complete with colorful decorations. Students 1 and 2 showed celebrating relationship through Bollywood, where we explored the beautiful relationships that define silver screen magic. The concept creatively showcased the essence of human connections as depicted in Hindi cinema, making it relatable and entertaining for all. As you know, today we are celebrating the dynamic world of sports through the lens of cinema. And let me tell you, tomorrow, the secondary section will present Eras of Bollywood for our annual day celebration, showcasing Bollywood's rich cinematic journey. So now, I would like to request Master Arnav Sharma and Ms. Sharakshi Deshmukh to continue the event forward.
Happy evening, everyone. Welcome to the most exciting time of the year. It is my absolute honor and pleasure to welcome you all to Chak De, celebrating sports cinema, the CMIS way, a celebration of storytelling, creativity, and the magic of cinema.
Over the years, films have proven to be more than entertainment. It is a medium that inspires, challenges, brings people together, transcending language, culture, and boundaries. Today, as we gather here, you're not just celebrating films. We're celebrating their dream, passion, and the hard work of the countless storytellers across the globe.
Hindi cinema has always been a mirror to our society, reflecting our dreams, struggles, and triumphs. Among its many genres, sports movies hold a special place, offering more than just entertainment. They inspire, motivate, and ignite a collective sense of pride and ambition.
That's right. From cricket to kabaddi, boxing to football, Bollywood has a way of turning every game to an epic saga. Tonight, we are going to relive some of those heart-pounding, tear-jerking, and action-packed moments from the silver screen, all with a sports twist.
Let's face it, folks, sports movies are like the ultimate feel-good boost. They take us on an emotional roller coaster. 1 minute, you're crying your eyes out, and the next, you're cheering for a fictional team at TV. How many times we have watched a movie like Chak De India and found ourselves standing up and shouting, yes, we can do it too.
I mean, sports movies are like that secret sauce of motivation. They give us a sense of purpose, a new sense of hope, and a lot of times they even teach us more about life than any textbook ever could.
Sports films are an important reminder that no matter how tough life gets, there's always a way forward, whether it's through teamwork, resilience, or simply refusing to quit. Bollywood has shown us how to tackle life's biggest challenges, one victory at a time.
So, let's take a moment to remember these champions, whether fictional or real, and let them inspire us. They remind us that every setback is just a setup for a greater comeback, that no dream is too big, no obstacle is too tough, no goal is too far. Bollywood sports movies teach us that the only way to lose is to stop trying.
So, tonight, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the magic that happens when sports and Bollywood collide in the most spectacular way possible. Whether you are a cricket lover, a wrestling fan, or just a Bollywood aficionado, there's something for everyone tonight.
We lost. I can't believe we lost the match today.
Yes, it was a tough one, even though we played to the best of our abilities.
Do you think it is because we are young? I don't think so. Some of the greatest athletes have started from a very young age.
Really?
What happened, students?
Why are we sitting very sad and disappointed?
Sir, we lost the match. Though we gave our best, we didn't get a win. It's okay. Winning and losing is a part of our game. Some days we win, some days we don't.
Aryan was telling us that all the great athletes we know were not always winners.
Well, yes, everyone has their good days and bad. Dhoni didn't play as well as he does today in the beginning of his career. Movies such as Chak De India, Lagan, Dangal, and Mary Kom have brought untold stories of great resilience and victory to the forefront. They inspire young minds to take up sports not just as a hobby but as a serious career, fostering a culture of fitness and discipline in the process.
That reminds me, there's a film festival happening in CM International School. I think it is called Jug Day, celebrating the sports cinema the CMIS way. They are showcasing different movies made by Bollywood for our sports stars. Can we go for it? It will be such a fun time and we will get to know about the famous personalities' lives. We can go for it. Why not? It will be such a great learning experience for you all.
Everyone to Jug Day, celebrating sports cinema the CMI's way. Today's showcase primarily focuses on sports in Bollywood and how their lives have been shaped. Sports are an integral part of our life. It helps us to stay motivated and releases our stress as well. Yes, we're all a part of a football team and we really love to play the game. That's really nice. So you know how sports are important for us as growing students.
But we aren't sure how these films can help us to be a better sports person.
Throughout the evening, we will be witnessing various movies, highly influential and relatable and awe-inspiring sports people who have not only made their stories but want to remember had instilled great sense of pride in us as citizens of India. Sports movies allow us to witness the great sacrifice and sheer willpower that athletes bring to their games. They remind us of the values we hold dear: perseverance, teamwork and integrity. From the overcoming impossible odds to striving for greatness, these stories show us that success isn't defined by winning alone, but by the courage to pursue our dreams despite setbacks.
Well, yes, sports movies bridge cultures and communities. They bring people together, reminding us of our shared humanity and our love for achievement, both on and off the field. They motivate us to challenge our limits and set goals and approach life with the spirit of a true champion.
These films are more than just entertainment. They are the stories of determination, resilience and pursuit of excellence that inspire us all.
Let's go to Screen 1. They are having a special screening for us.
Welcome one and all to the presentation of the legendary The Flying Sikh of India. His story started at the time of partition and ends with winning laurels for our country.
A dynamic and jolly soul, Milkha Singh, is an inspiration to each and every one of us. Born in Govindpura, Pakistan, it was when he joined Indian Army was when he realized his ability, love and passion for athletics.
Sit back and enjoy the depiction of Milkha Singh by the students of Empowering 3D from the movie
Bhag Milkha Bhag.
अब ऐसी रात रख दिल पे हाथ हम साथ साथ बोलो क्या करेंगे जीव जंतु सब सो रहे होंगे जीव जंतु सब सो रहे होंगे भूत प्रेत सब रो रहे होंगे ऐसी रात सुनसान रात रख दिल पे हाथ हम साथ साथ बोलो क्या करेंगे
Make some noise for them, audience, parents. Yeah. Thank you so much.
What an awe-inspiring journey. A huge round of applause for the students of Class Empowering 3D. Hey Harish, did you know some criminals too are a part of female sports personalities?
Moon, grandmothers. You mean to say my Nani can also become a sports person?
Ha 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 ha. Yes, if she wishes to. On our upcoming movie, Sankiya follows the journey of Chandra and Prakashi who made their mark despite their age.
Wait a minute. Sandkya? That's a funny movie name.
अरे think ना. It's a movie we are shooting at the target called Bullseye. तो हिंदी में Bull is Sand and I is Ark. So,
Sandkya, Bollywood is also very smart sense. The movie based in a rural setting. They took the literal translation. Dear audience, the student of Empowering 3 are all set to showcase the story of Chandru and Prakashi.
देखेगी ये दुनिया ये वुमनिया हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जग पिसती हूँ लोग उजागर देखेगी ये दुनिया ये वुमनिया जब भी ये निकल जाए सूरज भी पिघल जाए आसमां को नीचे दे झुका अपने पे आए अगर पत्थर तितर बितर किसी का भी तोड़े ये घुमा धुन की तू आधार हो जिद अगर सवाल हो तेरे जैसी ताकत देखो
ज्ञान गुण सागर चक पीस त्यों लोग उजागर देखेगी ये दुनिया ये घुमनिया
निशान ना लेते वक्त हमने बस चिड़िया की आंख देखनी है अर्जुन के तरीके।
ना डॉक्टर, हम अर्जुन ना है, मैंने ना देखे चिड़िया की आंख, मैंने तो सांड की आंख दिखे। क्यों जीजी, ये तो अंग्रेजी में बुल्स आई।
मैं उड़ता तीतर लाऊंगी रे जेल के भीतर, लाऊंगी रे मैं उड़ता तीतर, लाऊंगी रे जेल के भीतर, लाऊंगी रे
सांड की आंख जो पाऊंगी रे, सांड की आंख जो पाऊंगी रे, मैं उड़ता तीतर लाऊंगी रे जेल के भीतर, लाऊंगी उड़ता तीतर, लाऊंगी रे जेल के भीतर, लाऊंगी रे।
ताई, यो खेल सब पैंट पहन के खेले, शूटिंग में तुम भी पहनना।
ना भाई, फिर मारे सिखण का कोई फायदा ही ना है।
क्यों?
यो पैंट आड़े तो सदाते ही मारते हैं निशाना, बातें जब बनेगी जब घाघरियाली मारेगी निशाना, वो चाल मारे, समझ गया?
पुरसे टूटेंगे तोड़ेंगे, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी किस्मत मेहनत से मोड़ेंगे, ये तो झांकी है किस्सा बाकी है।
पुरसे टूटेंगे तोड़ेंगे, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी किस्मत को मोड़ेंगे, ये तो झांकी है किस्सा बाकी है।
जेल के भीतर
उड़ता तीतर लाऊंगी रे जेल के भीतर, लाऊंगी उड़ता तीतर, लाऊंगी रे जेल के भीतर, लाऊंगी रे
उड़ता तीतर।
To please clap for them.
The gun doesn't know age, it just listens to confidence. How do you feel about breaking stereotypes, Chandraji? We didn't aim for fame, we aim for freedom. That was pure magic on stage. Let's give it up for 3E. Boxing is my favorite sport. I still remember what an inspiration it was when Mary Kom broke all the barriers. What do you mean? Mary Kom, the champion, balanced boxing and motherhood. She trained, cared for kids, and won the world title. You mean to say she is a mother and a boxer? That is so cool. Yes, let's see a glimpse into her life as a mother and a boxer. The students of Empowering 4B are here to show the life story on the basis of the movie Mary Kom. Hey Mary, come up and help me in the fields. Boxing is only for boys. But I love it, Mama. I want to be a champion. Let her dream. She has a spirit of a fighter.
चाहे तू सारी रात ये पहरा करे, कह तू चांद तारों को चाउरो इचा पारी चाउरो इचा पारी चाउरो।
वक्त में भी हम न खोए हौसला, दिल के साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला। मिट्टी हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है, बस तेरी ही खातिर जाए सरफरोश है। जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे, आसमां तिरंगा सजाना आज है, शान से सभी को बताएंगे, जीत लेंगे ये सारा जहां। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
Each step, each move told a story. And what a beautiful story it was. Well done. Let's give them a big round of applause.
This is for my family, for Manipur, and for India. The students of Empowering 4B, a thunderous applause. I have one question for you. Who is your biggest inspiration?
Oh, for me, definitely my father. He's always my biggest supporter and never steers me in the wrong way.
Oh, so the same as the story of our upcoming wrestlers, the famous Fogart sisters. Geeta and Babita owe their success and laurels to the father, Mahavir Fogart. And let's not forget his niece, whose dedication and hard work won the hearts of India, Vinesh Fogart.
Oh, looks like the students of Inspiring 5C are ready to show off snippets from Dangal.
Let's talk about winning a gold medal for India, but you haven't done it yet. Yes, it's true.
Yes, it's true. I couldn't win a gold medal myself, but my dream is still alive.
How, Mahavir? You don't even have to have a son to train in wrestling.
कौन कहता है सिर्फ छोरे गोल्ड ला सकते हैं? हमारी छोरिया के छोरों से कम है?
आज से तुम दोनों पहलवानों की जिंदगी जियोगी।
छोरी है, समझ के लड़ियो। बस छोरी समझ के ना लड़ियो। पापा अगला दंगल लड़ने कब चढ़ा है?
निक्कर और टी शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिल लोन, निक्कर और टी शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिल लोन, लगा के फोन बता दे सबको बच के रहियो बागड़ बिल्ली से, चंडीगढ़ से या दिल्ली से, तने चारों खाने जित कर देगी, तेरे पुर्जे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी, तेरे दांव से बढ़कर बेच पलट कर देगी, चित कर देगी, चित कर देगी। ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है। राजौरिया ये चोरिया, तेरी अकड़ की रस्सी जल जाएगी, पकड़ में इसकी आग है, यो इंची टेप से नापेगी, तेरी कितनी ऊंची नाक है, तेरी सांसें अटक जाएगी, वो जोर पटक जाएगी, तने चारों खाने चित कर देगी, तेरे पुर्जे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी, तेरे दांव से बढ़कर पेच पलट कर देगी, चित कर देगी, चित कर देगी। ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है।
हमेशा ये सोच के रोता रहा कि छोरा होता तो देश के लिए गोल्ड लाता। यो बात मेरे समझ में ना आई कि गोल्ड तो गोल्ड होता है, छोरा लावे या छोरी, मेडलिस्ट पेड़ पे नहीं उगते, उन्हें बनाना पड़ता है प्यार से, मेहनत से, लगन से।
A highly energetic performance. I think the stage still shaking from the performance. Clap for our amazing dancers of 5C. Was telling me that a team is not just made up of players and their coaches. A good manager also helps bring in medals and victories. A good manager? How does a good manager help a team out? Well, the job of a team manager isn't just about managing the team, but to make sure the team is well represented. The matches they get to play are according to their league and a lot more. I wonder which movie would focus on the manager of a team. No one really thinks of them. Well, lucky for us, Bollywood looks after everyone. The movie Gold is based on Tapan Das and his journey to success as the manager of an Indian hockey team. Our friends of Empowering 3C will now showcase Tapan Das' journey.
It's too hard. We are not ready to face international team yet.
And we don't have proper equipment. How we are going to win? Listen team, winning goal isn't to be easy. We are doing this for our country. You need to stay united and give your best. Only then can we achieve our dream.
You are right, sir. We have to work together. Let's stop complaining and start practicing harder.
जब चले जिया ले झूम झूम, तब जग में होगी धूम धूम, देखेगी दुनिया घूम घूम, हम सबको हरा के घर लाएंगे गोल गोल गोल, घर लाएंगे गोल। चल राही लेके जोश जोश, है लक्ष्य का इनको होश होश, कभी इनको न देना दोष दोष, हम सबको हरा के घर लाएंगे गोल। है जो नया ये सफर इनका, देखो कहाँ तक ले जाए, किसको है पता इनको ये रास्ता, मंजिल दिखाए ना दिखाए, हम घर लाएंगे गोल्ड को, हम घर लाएंगे गोल्ड को, हम घर लाएंगे गोल्ड को, हम सबको हरा के घर लाएंगे गोल्ड को, हम घर लाएंगे गोल्ड को, हम घर लाएंगे गोल्ड को, हम सबको हरा के घर लाएंगे गोल्ड। जब हमको मिला मैदान तो बन जाएंगे तूफान, वो जो टकराए बढ़ता जाए, बढ़ के हर बंदिश को तोड़, रोके से नहीं रुकना है, धोखे से नहीं झुकना है, अब लेंगे हम बस वही कदम, अरे जो रास्ता मंजिल को छोड़ दे। आंखों में जागता एक ख्वाब है, कुछ कर दिखाने के लिए, हम तो जाए जहां बन जाए दास्तां, सारे जमाने के लिए। चल यार तू सबको पीछे छोड़ दे, खेल खेल में ताल मेल में लपक छपक के निकलेंगे हम, कभी इधर से कभी उधर से पटक पटक के निकलेंगे, खेल खेल में ताल मेल में लपक छपक के निकलेंगे हम, कभी इधर से कभी उधर से पटक पटक के निकलेंगे। देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, ऐ वतन ऐ माँ जननी, तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम, जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में, होठों पे तेरा नाम, जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है, आए तेरे काम। जाग जाग हिंदुस्तां है और जाग जाग हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है, जाग जाग हिंदुस्तां है और जाग जाग हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है, जागा हिंदुस्तां, जागा हिंदुस्तां।
This victory wasn't just about winning a game. It was about believing in ourselves and working together as a team. When we are united, we can achieve anything. What an absolutely energetic What an absolutely energetic performance. Let's applaud the class of Empowering 3C. नमस्कार सभी को, स्वागत है आपका। आज हम आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसे इंसान की कहानी जो न सिर्फ एक कोच था बल्कि भारत के फुटबॉल का एक महान नायक भी था, सैयद अब्दुल रहीम।
1950 के दशक में भारत में फुटबॉल का एक नया युग शुरू हुआ। इस समय हमारे पास ना ही प्रॉपर फैसिलिटीज़, रिसोर्सेज थी, ना ही फैसिलिटीज़। एक आदमी ने अपने हौसले और विजन से कुछ ऐसा कर दिखाया जो कभी किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था।
Let's see what the students of empowering force have prepared for us.
एक ऐसी टीम जो सिर्फ बॉल नहीं बल्कि भारत का स्वाभिमान भी समझे। एक ऐसी टीम जो हार से डरे नहीं बल्कि उससे सीख के आगे बढ़े।
सलाखें तोड़ देंगे हम, दीवारें तोड़ेंगे, रिकॉर्ड जो बने हुए हैं सारे तोड़ेंगे। सलाखें तोड़ देंगे हम, दीवारें तोड़ेंगे, मगर ये वादा है कि हम दिल नहीं तोड़ेंगे, 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 नहीं नहीं तोड़ेंगे। गुरूर तोड़ेंगे, घमंड तोड़ेंगे, गुरूर तोड़ेंगे, घमंड तोड़ेंगे। मैदान की हमें कसम, मैदान की हमें कसम। हाँ दिल नहीं तोड़ेंगे, 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 नहीं नहीं तोड़ेंगे।
जान ले लो आज हमारे, फिर दिखेंगे कल से। बोल दो जमाने से कि डर भी डरता हमसे। हर कदम हम आगे बढ़ते, गिरते पड़ते फिर भी लड़ते। हर कदम हम आगे बढ़ते, गिरते पड़ते फिर भी लड़ते। आजा आजमा ले तू, किसमें कितना है जोर। टीम इंडिया है हम, 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 टीम इंडिया है हम। झुकने से पहले सोच सीने पे, सोच सीने पे तिरंगा है। हिम्मत है हार पर, हौसला पहाड़ है, आसमां फाड़ ले तू, शेर की दहाड़ है। आजा आजमा ले तू, किसमें कितना है जोर। टीम इंडिया है हम, टीम इंडिया है हम, टीम इंडिया है हम, टीम इंडिया है हम, टीम इंडिया है
ये सिर्फ एक टीम नहीं थी, ये एक परिवार था। हर एक खिलाड़ी ने अपनी जान लगा दी देश के लिए। ये मैदान हमारे लिए पवित्र है क्योंकि यहाँ हमने अपने सपनों को हकीकत में बदला। इंडिया